$271,000 with this simple trick. This is free to use trick. There is no experience required in order to perform that trick, and there is no shortage of buyers. First of all, I will take you to the platform. It is known as Fiverr. Fiverr is actually a freelancing platform where sellers are selling their services, and buyers who want to do certain tasks for their website, for their businesses, they move to the Fiverr and they hire sellers. What this service is all about, if you just search for photo retouching on a search box, you will come up different Fiverr gigs. And if you just check those reviews, these are the numbers of reviews people have given to this gig. And the maximum number that are showing on the front page of this Fiverr page is 1,000. So if you just move to that gig, you may find 10,000 or even 15,000 reviews. So the maximum they are showing on this page is 1,000 plus. And now if you look at 1,000 plus reviews, 733 reviews, 1,000 plus reviews, 1,000 plus reviews, 1,000 plus reviews, 156 reviews, 448, 267. So you have seen that there are a lot of sellers who are selling this service, and there is no shortage of buyers. I have already opened 2 gigs who are earning some decent income after selling this service. One gig is I will Adobe Photoshop Edit Photo Retouching. This guy has received 11,294 reviews. Currently 18 orders are in queue. And the next gig is I will edit and retouch product photos in Photoshop. 2,351 reviews has been received and 19 orders are in queue. If I just take this example and bring out my calculator to show you how much this guy has earned from selling this service. 11,294 reviews. As per my experience, 50% of the people actually give review to the seller. So nearly 50% of the people are actually giving the review to the sellers. So if I just multiply this figure by 2, we can reach to the actual number of buyers who have bought this service. Now with respect to the pricing option, there are 3 pricing: basic for $5, standard for $15, and premium for $40. If I just take out the standard amount $15 and multiply this figure with the $15, so we come up with 3,38,820. Fiverr will cut out, or Fiverr will take out 20% of its commission and 80% retain to us. So if I multiply this by 80%, we come up with $271,000 after selling this service. That's a massive amount this guy has earned from selling this service. Not only this guy, I have already opened this guy 2,351, and if you just move to other 1,000 plus reviews gigs, you will find that people are earning $50,000, $100,000, $75,000. People are just earning a massive income after selling this service. Now you may be thinking that you do not have any experience of Photoshop, any experience of graphic designing. How you can perform this type of service? Don't worry, I am going to show you 2 softwares that are free, and within 3 to 5 minutes you can perform such type of tasks. These 2 softwares names are photop.com, and the second one is makeup.4.to. Makeup.4.to. There are 2 dots in this link. The first one is photop.com. Let's suppose if I add my image, this is the image I have taken from the Google, and I have uploaded this image to the photop.com. Now this is the image. You have seen that you can increase the image size from the image size, and the main task and the main thing after adding your image in the Photop is this is the icon, Spot Healing Brush Tool. Just click on this tool and you will see a cursor in the round shape. You can increase its size by pressing the big bracket, or you can reduce its size by other side of the bracket, but make sure your size shouldn't be too large and shouldn't be too small. So your size should be as per the spots that you want to remove. And these are the freckles, pimples, acne that you may receive an order from the buyer who may require you to remove those spots or pimples or acne. And using this software, you can do all this task very easily. Just I am decreasing the size of that icon, and now you will see that my icon is just fit to those spots. And now how you can remove those parts, just left mouse click on these spots. So this spot has been removed. Now click on this spot, removed, so removed, so nearly I have removed all the acne and spots from the skin. Now once you are finished with the whole setup, now move to the file, click on export as PNG or the JPG, and I generally prefer to do it in the PNG. But keep remember that I have just shown you a one tool of Photopi. There are a lot of stuff that you can do with these types of tools. So once you get master to this software, you can perform much more tasks. But for the sake of this example, I have just shown you this tool. So just export as PNG. Now click on save. This image has been saved. If I just move to that image to my, and now let's move to the second platform, that is makeup.4.to. Click on upload a portrait photo from computer. Now upload that image that you have downloaded from the Photopi.com. Upload it on that side. So what does this side do? This side will actually improve the colors effect, will improve the enhancement, glamour, whitening. You can do all sort of improvement in your face or in your skin using this makeup.4.to tool. And you can see that skin makeup, shine remover, wrinkle smoothing, red eye remover, teeth whitening, glamour effect. You can add all those sorts of effect, or you can just choose the one that you want to do. Let's suppose if I add all those effects to my face and click on apply. So you can see that the image looks much brighter, much better, and it looks much smoother. You can do all sort of tasks. You can add different effects from this effect section, and just style effects, backgrounds, lighting effects, all those of stuffs from this effect section. And with the touch up, you can do all sorts of makeup from these options. And once you're done with everything, just click on save, download, and now you can download that image after right clicking on save image as, save, and you are done. If you just open this image, I hope you are finding this image much more looking better. that's look clean, pleasant, smooth, and with better effects. I hope your buyer would definitely like this type of work. And what you can do actually, once you create your gig on the Fiverr, if you somehow received orders, there is a chance that you will receive orders in bulk. It could hardly take you 3 to 5 minutes for one image, and if you just receive orders in bulk, you can just do it within a few hours. That's the beauty of these two softwares, and they are totally free. Once you get used to these two softwares, you can perform more better, you can add more effects, you can do all sort of things that these softwares will provide to you. This is the video that I hope you like this video. I hope you like this service, and if you wanted to get similar types of videos, I definitely recommend you to subscribe to my channel and definitely like this video, so that I will create more such videos for you. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.